Service in Milwaukee, Sullivan. We have issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Kenosha County, all of Milwaukee County, all of Racine County, east central Walworth, and eastern Waukesha counties until 12:45 p.m. At 12:16 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles an hour. These storms were located along a line extending from Waukesha Airport to Big Bend to Boner's Lake and moving east at 40 miles an hour. These severe thunderstorms will be around Milwaukee Tillman Airport, Milwaukee County Zoo, and West Dallas around 12:30. Brown Deer, West Milwaukee around 12:35. Whitefish Bay around 12:40. Milwaukee Home Bridge around 12:30. Racine Baton Airport around 12:45. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning is in effect for northeastern Kenosha, Milwaukee, Racine, east central Walworth, eastern Waukesha counties until 12:45.